I would partially agree with his statement that we speak slightly better English than most Asian countries, let's say. And the reason is because we need it more. For example, let's say that Burmese people speak slightly better English than Thai people, let's say, which seems to be the case anyway. And the reason is because we need it more. Thailand is a very highly developed country by itself. It can survive by itself. It's a self-sufficient country in some sense. Myanmar is not. We need it badly. We need English, right? If we want to make it, we got to speak English. But for Thai people, they don't need it. They speak it as, a hobby or for more opportunities, maybe, let's say. But if you speak Thai here, you're totally fine. But for us, we badly need it. That's the reason. That's why we are, let's say, quote unquote, better at it, which is the case, I would say, yeah. And actually, I met this Thai person, this Thai guy, who told me that he speaks good English, and he told me that, oh, you guys, Myanmar people speak English, and I just nodded, yeah, we do, yeah. Anyway, so what is the point of this video? What could be the message through all this stuff? I would say the message I want to convey through this video, let's say, through all this is to think. I think that's very important. So I'm always in favor of building or fostering the culture of questioning. I'm always for that. So I would really encourage everyone here to have a culture of questioning, question about things and being skeptical, but be productive in your skepticism, right? Because a lot of times when they say skepticism, I'm skeptical, they're just not sure. By they, I mean skeptics, right? People who claim to be skeptics. A lot of times they don't have a purpose in their skepticism. The purpose of skepticism should be to find truth, right? You're skeptical about something because you don't believe it seems to be true, right? So the end purpose of skepticism should be to find the truth. If truth finding is not the purpose, then your skepticism is in vain. It doesn't have any point. Okay, so that's why I said productive skepticism. Be productively skeptical. Yeah, I would say essentially to think, right? Again, I will double down and say that don't be comfortable in the wrong, let's say. We really should foster or build the culture of questioning and being productively skeptical and essentially, to think, to build the habit of thinking. Okay, I guess that would be something that I want to convey through these videos, through the clips and this video. What do you think about my take that we should foster the culture of questioning and being productively skeptical, positively skeptical, let's say? Let me know your comments.